you will stay here if ever. It's just a weeks or what? How long? How long you will stay here? I mean, yeah. You know, I don't want to use any sounds here because last time I got my copyright sounds. Okay, so I must be careful of using some of the music or songs background because to avoid copyright issues. Okay? Are you still here? Are you working now? Gratefully blessed. Are you still here? Actually, I enjoy watching only our Tagalog teleserye. Tagalog teleserye, the title is Widow's War. This this is so challenging story, you know. So Habatril. Yeah, so I enjoyed of watching this teleserye, Tagalog teleserye. Are you still here? Gratefully blessed. Shout out to you. And shout out Alfred SR. It's long time. No chat. Ayan. Sa a long time no never heard. I never heard about you. Alfred SR, hello. Shout out to each and every one of you, to all my subscribers, followers, and supporters. Thank you for continuing support, guys. And any moment, I'm so um, overwhelmed feeling that every time that I go live, you are always still here and dropping by a live at Aina Diana Click. You never tired of supporting me, guys. So my warm gratitude for each and every one of you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for keeping on support on our channel, guys. At Aina Diana Click. So big applause to each and every one of you. Yeah. I was checking my flight to visit there for my first time in February. Okay. Yes, I was on the phone with the airlines yesterday night. Okay. So good luck to you, gratefully blessed. Good luck. Enjoy seeing around soon. Yeah, welcome at Philippines. Very soon. Okay. Mm. Enjoy watching. Hi there. Thank you for dropping by at Aina Diana Glenn. Hi. So can you share our live, guys? Nice to have you here, guys. I enjoy watching our Widows War teleserye. Widows War. So join me, guys. But I don't want to sing a song for you guys because last time when I was sing a song here, I got my copyright issues. Okay, so to avoid the copyright, I never use the music, any song, background, or music because YouTube is very strict about the copyright song or music. Okay, hope you understand, please. But I use this one. I enjoy using this one to so that you can hear me well. Gratefully blessed. Is that my voice? You can hear me well or not? Is that clear? Or much better, cannot use this one. Hi! Shout out each and every one of you.